Oh, I think I'm still working with you if I'm correct. Right now, I'm not wearing the gloves, but I've got the gloves on standby. If you watch me tomorrow evening here on NBC3, you're probably going to see them on all night long and maybe some earmuffs or a hat. But tonight, not yet. Just not that cold, but it's getting there. Let's talk about the forecast here for the next week or so. When is it supposed to warm up? I keep getting texts and messages from people saying, can you help me out? When are the temperatures going to get a little bit more tolerable to be outside? But I remind you, it is November. It's supposed to be getting colder as we get deeper in this month and, getting closer and closer to winter. So tonight, not really going to be all that warm. Temperatures down in the 30s, some spots close to 32. And there could be some spots here in the southern hills, south of Syracuse, southeast of Syracuse, even southwest of the Syracuse area. Some wet snowflakes could be sticking, a little slushy accumulation in some spots. And I actually have an accumulation map coming up in just a minute. This weekend, not going to do much better. Only upper 30s, around 40 for tomorrow. Back in the 40s for Sunday. So that's both days are below average. But later next week, there is some light, metaphorically and literally at the end of this tunnel, with the sun coming back out too, with above average temperatures near and above 60 degrees on a couple days. We'll tell you when in just a few minutes on the 7-day. 46 right now at the airport in Syracuse, low mid 40s elsewhere. A little breeze going on, so a little bit of a wind chill factor. It feels like 42 outside here in Syracuse. Same thing in Ithaca, Fulton, and it feels like 40 right now in the Utica, Rome area. Live triple Doppler sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Syracuse area, no drops over my head outside right now on the weather deck here. I'm good. Hood is down, but to our south, we've got some sprinkles, drizzle, a little bit of light rain here. What's happening next? We have another push of cold air right along this arc of showers you see here. These are coming in off of Lake Huron, Georgian Bay, and also Lake Superior, but nothing really super organized. So it's just going to be just enough, this cold air, look at that, upper 20s, mid 30s to cross Lake Ontario. We'll show it to you on the Futurecast to bring in late tonight some lake sprinkles, drizzle, drops, grapple, a soft hail, some wet flakes too. This particular model, like many others I've looked at today and tonight, don't show a lot of it, right? It's going to be some lake effect clouds at the very least and maybe some lighter forms of showers in the area. But I think the hill towns south and southwest, southeast could have the best chance of seeing some of that stick. We will not reach 40 in many locations tomorrow, even after the sun comes out in the afternoon. All right, here's a zoomed in look at the snowfall accumulation map. Look at the key, top left part of your screen. Trace to an inch. That inch is a little bit, I think, wishful thinking here. I think it's going to be more of like a coating or slush half inch. Places down to, say, southwest, like Otisco, maybe Lafayette, Pompey, Fabius, down towards DeRuyter, and a few other locations. Otherwise, in Syracuse, it's just going to be wet, cold, and damp. Tonight, we're down in the mid-30s here, a few lake showers in the area. Upper 20s, low 30s for the wind chill. Tomorrow, a high of 39. Wind chills, upper 20s, mid-30s. Next 7 days, let's go. 44 for Sunday with the sun out. Cloudy on Monday, 51. Look at 57 on Wednesday. Sun and clouds there. Thursday, warmer 62, with looking really nice with the sun out, and then back in the mid-60s, but some rain by Friday. A live look outside right now, Stanley Lost Skywatch, Regency Tower view. It's dark, it's chilly, roads are dry, conditions are okay to be out, and we'll head back inside with Allura.